Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account without credit card. So this is very simple. Just go to paypal.com and after that select the account that you want to create. Simply click on the sign up process, and after that when you click on sign up process, so simply you will move to next page. So you can see here we are landed to the sign up page. So simply just type your name here, type your second name here, type your email here, like I'm typing the random email, and after that just here you can see you have to create a strong password here. So just simply create the strong password. After that click here, click on agree and continue. So now when you click on agree and continue, simply you will move to next page. So just here you can see you don't need to add a credit card. So simply just, if you want to create an account without credit cards, just click on skip for now. And so now finally here you can see our account is created without credit card. So in this way you can create a PayPal account without credit